In a previous video, I showed you how to use Google Drive to create forms that you could post online and have students answer them. You can also share them by email, and there's various other means of sharing it. And let's assume for this video, we've had that, we've posted it, and our students have taken the question. Instead of having to go through here and look at each answer and compare it to an answer key, there's a way to make Google Forms grade it for you automatically. It gets a little complicated with some cell formulas, but I'll show you what that is in just a moment. What I did is I did a form, and then this first line is where I answered it. And what we want to do is in this column, we want to find out how many the student gets correct. And over here, we're going to come back and do the grade. So column E will be the number correct and the grade. I have prepared the formula ahead of time, so I'm just going to paste it for now. And then we'll look at it. Notice how it automatically calculated there were 2 correct in this line, because that's the line where the teacher took it. If you go up here, look a little closer at the formula, I'll explain these parts of it. Basically, you put the equal to open it up, and it says if, and it's going through, and it says if B3 is the same as this one, give them 1 point. If it's not, give them no points. And then again, if C3, and you can add this as many there are, it would be going on across. If there were E3, F3, G3, it'd continue on just however many questions you had. There's really no limit. That tells you how many they have correct. Now to convert that into a grade, we've got to do one more bit of formula here. We put equal. We take column E3, that's taking that number, and we're going to multiply that times whatever multiplier. In this case, I want to say 50 because each question's 50 points each. That gives them a 100. So now we have our answer key row done. In order to apply it and populate it now, I have to just click and drag. It will automatically take that formula down to those cells. And I'll show you again. If you mouse over this bottom right corner where that dot is, a plus sign shows up. You left click and drag down. And when you release, it automatically calculates it. Now I have the row of students. And you can imagine if I'd had 25 students, that'd be 25 grades done. That way you don't have to go through and compare each one to your answer key. You just have to look at the column here to see what the grade they made. And that's a simple way to make forms turn into self-grading assessments. Thank you for watching.